So you won't believe it at first, but there is actually Niagara Falls on Vancouver Island. So up next we're gonna go to Trestle. It's one of the old railroad trestles that are not active, and in order to go there you just have to climb above the Niagara Falls or follow that route right there.
Bye-bye. So, our dawn has fallen, and it's somewhere over there, and Gleb is going to go and try and retrieve it. You can see Gleb almost peeking through right there. Yeah, there he is. I think he got it. What's the damage?
So you won't believe this, but it was hanging on a tree like this, on a branch, and the gimbal is still intact, and it seems like maybe a couple of dirty propellers, but everything is good to go. I'll probably throw this out. There's a chip in one, but I gotta say, DJI dropped from what, about 30 meters high onto a tree and no damage. It's either luck or good quality drone. This is it. This is all we wanted to show you. We hope that you will find this easy to access but little known about part of the Goldstream Park very interesting to visit, and even with 2 children it's very accessible. Please consider subscribing down below for more videos like this, and we'll hope to keep you entertained for a little while.